Hello students, now we'll discuss how we can convert given octal number into binary number system. But before this we will see what is meant by octal number system. The octal number system is the system in which the base or radix of the system is 8. That's why this system is called as octal number system. That means in this system 8 symbols we can use or 8 digits we can use. Which are these 8 digits? 0 to 7. It requires only 3 bits to represent value of any digit. The position of every digit has a weight which is a power of 8. That is, the weight of digit position of the octal numbers are shown in the table here. The star point indicates the radix point, or we can say it is a octal point. So for the integer part, we can write 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2, etc. And for the fractional part, we can write 8 raised to minus 1, 8 raised to minus 2, 8 raised to minus 3, etc. Now we'll see how we can represent this octal number. Each octal number can be represented using only 3 bits. See, this is very important. Each octal number can be represented using only 3 bits. And the digits we are going to use in octal number system is 0 to 7. So each digit can be represented only in 3 bits, with each group of bits having distinct value between 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1. Okay, so now we'll see how we can calculate the equivalent binary number of octal number. Okay, so the first column indicates the octal digits value, that is 0 to 7, and the second column indicates 3-bit binary equivalent. You can see here for the each octal digit 0 to 7, the equivalent binary number is given. Now the question is how we can calculate the equivalent binary number for this octal number system. See here, with the red pen we have written here 1, 2, 4. Suppose for the 0 digit we have to write down binary equivalent number. So we have considered 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now suppose for octal digit 1 we have to write down the binary equivalent. How we can calculate this? The binary equivalent is 0, 0, 1. But how we can calculate this? So as I have written here 4, 1, 2, 4. So instead of this one we have to make the sum. How it will comes 1? So just put below this one, just put 1. This 2 and 4, it is 0. So we can write 0, 0, 1. Okay. Similarly, suppose we have to calculate the equivalent binary number for octal digit 5. How it will comes 5? If we will make the addition 4 plus 1 is 5. So put below 4 it is 1. For 1 it is 1 and 2 is 0. So the number is 101. To calculate the equivalent binary number for the octal digit 7, we have to make 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So mark all are 1. So the binary equivalent is 111. Now we will see how we can convert the given octal number into equivalent binary number. There is a simple direct method to convert an octal number into binary number. Since there are only 8 symbols, that is 0 to 7 in octal system, and because the base of the system is 8, so 2 raised to 3 is 8. That's why we can use 8 symbols. So you can represent each digit of octal in a group of 3 bits as a binary. Now we'll see what are the steps to convert given octal number into binary number. The first step is take octal number as an input. Second one is convert each digit of octal number into 3-bit binary number. Write down the binary bits in the same sequence as they will consider as the output, that is a binary number. Now we'll discuss some examples how we can convert the given octal into binary number system.